Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are preparing to make a wedding cake that is upcoming, but today we are making the flowers for it. And they were a certain kind of flower that the bride requested, so let's get started. I made flowers out of white, pale pink, and light blue. I started out with white. I rolled out some white fondant. I used these 5-petal flowers and cut out a few. Then I take a Dresden tool and made some texture in the petal of the flower. I do this to 2 of them. Then I lay one on top of the other and pinch the edges of the flower petals to give them a bit of a wave. I laid them on a paper towel to dry before placing them on the cake. Let's see that again sped up. Because white can be difficult to see, let's make some pink flowers. And let's see it one more time in real time. I love these almost Hawaii looking flowers, lovely and delicate, perfect for a wedding. I hope you found this tutorial helpful today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.